Alright, so in the previous video I showed you guys how to inflate a ball, but in this video I'm gonna show you how you can deflate a ball. Now you might be wondering, why would I need to deflate a ball? It's just because, for example, you're traveling and you want to take the ball. I guess in the airlines they don't allow you to take the ball as it is. You have to deflate it, and obviously for any other purposes, you want to store it, you want to put it in your luggage, it this easily, so it can just come in easily. Well, the yeah. So what we need to do, I'm going to show you how you can deflate it. What you need is, you got the inflatable pin already. Obviously, if you are using football and you're playing, you're a regular player, you must have this deflatable pin. If you don't have this pin, you can use any other pin, like a paper clip. You can use it as well. Don't use anything really sharp, but you can use maybe a paper clip which is about this width of a pin, so it can be any pin. Now what you need to do, you go to the valve. Where's the valve? You go to the valve. Yeah, that's the valve. And what you do, okay, I'm gonna get my daughter to help me. Okay, can you hold this for me, please? Just here. Okay, just here. Okay, that's just here. I want, can you see this? Yes. Okay, so this is the pin. So what you need to do is just plug it in, push it in into this hole, and you push in just enough. When you start hearing this sound, so you see the air has started coming out of it, and then you keep squeezing it a little bit. There we go.
It's getting a little too cold.
Oh yeah. So all the air is coming out and is going on the face of my daughter, so that's why she's saying it's getting cold. Anyhow, so you see it's deflating.
I'm gonna hold it again.
Okay. Okay, in the end, take the pin out, and there we go. You got the deflatable ball. The ball is fully deflated, and that's how you do it. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching.